Good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day. I am Rosemary Hall. I am 48 years old. I live in San Rafael Street, Tigbi, Tiwelbay, and I'm a widow.
Do you have kids?
I have 3 grown-up kids, 26 years old girl, 21 years old boy, and 20 years old girl.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 1 sibling. I am the eldest in the family.
Tell me about your educational background.
I graduate of 2 years hotel and restaurant management.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have 3 work experience. Start with January 2021 and February until February 2026. Family of 3. My main duties are cooking, general household, going to market, minding the children, and I didn't finish my contract and because the couple got separated. The second one is Al Ain UAE, a family of 6. My started at January 2015 until April 2018. My main duties is cooking, a little bit of house cleaning. I finished my contract. The third one is Abu Dhabi, UAE, 2013 until 2015. My main duties is general household, ironing, minding the children, cooking, and going to market. I finished my contract.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am patient and a hard-working worker, and I'm willing to learn some of the good things.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, I have in my left and right wrist.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, last 2005 ligation
Why do you want to work abroad?
for the future of my children.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Give me your idea how to take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
at first I will let them ease their emotions, let them calm, and after that we will talk. I will tell them what will be happen if you are a naughty kid, and then we will play.
What is your message to your future employer?
Dear future employer, I promise to be a good worker. I will do my best. I will be a hard-working worker in your household. And if you have children, I will love and treat them as my own. And I promise to finish my contract, and I will stay in you as long as you want. Thank you very much.
Thank you.